Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Wednesday. Well, as you can see, we're going to be starting this beautiful peony picture that I got this morning from the SevenGreat store, and we're going to be starting right up in here. The color that I have is 603 and it is upside down. So we're just gonna stitch, and I have my little owl helper today. Oh my goodness, feels so good to get out of work. Yeah, because yesterday just kind of went on and on and on some more. Yeah, it did. We had to put the order away, and it's not like it took forever. I think the boss finally got out of there about 4:30, 4:45-ish. So that was good. We got everything accomplished that we needed to get accomplished. Sorry, got my needle in my mouth. I know. Good. There we go. I was trying to bring you up closer so you could see what I was actually stitching on. It's a beautiful bubblegum pink. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So what is everybody else working on? I hope you're doing something fun and that you really love to stitch on. I didn't watch too much floss tube or, YouTube type stuff yesterday. By the time I got home, I was kind of done. I fixed my lasagna TV dinner and had a salad, and I was just ready to be done with the day. It was cold yesterday, and today it's supposed to snow. Yeah, it'll be awesome. Just awesome. So I was hoping to go to the grocery store before all that transpired. Now, I don't know if it'll be windy all day and, won't do a thing. Yesterday, it was kind of cloudy, then it was kind of sunny, and then it was kind of cloudy. We went through this. We've been going through it all week. I'm like, I'm done with this. Can we just go back to 60, 70 degree weather? That would be just awesome. No, we got to have a little snow. Let's have some more. Yeah, no. Not at all. I may have to do some stops and starts. I wasn't real clear on what color I was going to, or which symbol, I should say, I was going to work with. So we'll see. We will see. We're going to go right over there. What did I stitch on? Oh, I was stitching on the Seaside, I think it's called Seaside Village, maybe, with all the little beach houses. I really like that one. And I saw Jill got it too. So she's working from the other end. I'm working from the totally opposite end. So yeah. And, we could just cut it in half and send each other the half we got done. Just saying. It'd be nice. I'm still working on the first beach house. I'm filling in the blanks at this point. So, not a big deal, but... And it's nice to work on. It's not real involved. Of course, there's going to be backstitching galore in that thing. But it'll be fine. It's not a big area that you have to backstitch. You have to do the windows and the outside of the house, or what do you call it? Like the railing or the awnings or whatever. But it's pretty straight down the line stitching, so it's not like that one. Oh my goodness, what was that called? Was it called Blue Pavilion? Yeah, I gave up on that. I'm going to have to get, I passed it up, you know, when I was looking for whatever it was at that moment, but I remember seeing it last weekend. I don't know. It just, I ran out of thread, so I'll have to get some more thread to finish it, and it has a lot of back stitching. So, we'll see if I pull it out or not. May have to get my thimble here. This is nice material. It's not real, not stiff, but it's not real thick. So, it goes pretty well. And so did that little beach house one. And I did put a few more stitches into the peonies that were in that, I want to call it a vase. I can't remember what it was in. It seemed like it was a box of some kind. So, and it's got, you know, layers of colors, you know, kind of like this. You know, you do all that blue, and then you do the orange, and then the red, and the green, or whatever. So it's not confettied, per se, you know, so. I kind of like stitching on it. It's a change of pace. So that'll work. And I've got Amsterdam over there I'd like to get back to as well. So we will see just what I drag out for the weekend sewing fest. And I don't know, I said I had to go to the grocery store, but I still haven't picked the flavor of the weekend. You know, I always make something, I don't know, roast seems like too much, and then it's so cold. Maybe I'll make chili. You know, just red chili. Because I haven't made any red chili in a while. But I'm a little sick of chicken noodles, beef and noodles. I don't know. I don't want to roast. Just too much. And on the other hand, I really don't want to have to make a lasagna either. And I don't know if my daughter and I are going to go down to Walmart on Friday or not. So we will take a look and see what we're doing. I know today they have, yeah, hell of a day for it. So it's either going to rain or snow, but it's the day that they have the track and field thing for the elementary school. So everybody ought to be sick about, Saturday. If they have to be out there in that rain and crap weather. I don't know if they'll call it and do it, you know, at another time, or just, you know, how they'll proceed. Now, in past years, I know my daughter has complained that it was like as hot as blazes, and she about died from a heat stroke, you know, sitting there, because I think it goes on for 2 or 3 hours. They go to lunch in between it all. I don't know. So, I'll hear a report on Friday. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where to go next. Sorry, there's so much stop and start here. It happens. Okay, let's just use the other thread, because that one, for some reason, I didn't straighten my end, so I got one piece way up here and the other one way down here. So this one looks like it's more together. We'll just go with this one. Oh, it's a loop, it's a loop, it's a loop. Oh my goodness. So yeah, nothing's screaming in my brain. Somebody asked me how I choose what I work on or start. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm sorry. None. It's like, oh, okay. Let's just do that. I usually pick the things that are around me because I've kept them out because I wanted to put some more stitches in it. I'd like to get back to working on that I don't know what it's called. Retro elegant flowers, you know, with the big vase and all that stuff. That's kind of nice to work on, so. And I'd like to put some more stitches into my ginormous one, because I like stitching on it. It doesn't, at least it's not huge areas. Like, I don't know, that one, the Qingming Festival has a lot of big stitching. Did I? Okay, I want to make sure I went back and crossed those. That's what happens when you talk and stitch at the same time. Sometimes that goes well and others not so much. But that Qingming Festival has large areas that you have to stitch. It's not, I like the buildings in this last one that I got, because it makes you feel like you're accomplishing something. So, you know, I have a few options, but I never have any rhyme or reason at all to how, how I pick what I do. Sometimes I feel like working on some and not so much on others. So, we'll see. I would like to put a few big strands, you know, the 6 strands into that silk to get that going. So that's out there. Yeah. You just never know with me. Somebody asked if I work from the thread card or if I do something else with my thread before I start. I do not. I work right from the thread card if there's a thread card present. If I have the, what do you call them? The tabs, I put them on one of these rings. If I know I'm going to just keep, you know, I'm going to stitch on it more frequent, I'll get them all in line. But it just kind of is a buzzkill for me. It's like, all I want to do is stitch. I don't want to have to mess with the stupid thread, you know? Sorry, I need a drink. Just Coca-Cola today, guys. Just Coca-Cola. But it's shaping up to be a let's have some hot tea day. That's why I said chili might be a good option. Just not real sure I want to eat chili all weekend. I suppose, you know, push come to shove, I can make burritos smothered in green chili. We have lots of, what is that? Colby, not Colby. Colby Jack, what am I trying to say? You know, Monterey Jack and Colby together. Oh, jeez. Days. Yeah, I have lots of that for some reason. I don't know, I keep buying one, thinking I'm making burritos, and then I don't use it. So, I should just, if I'm going to buy it, just throw it in the freezer when I find these things out. Some days, kids, I'm telling you. Grandma has no brain. So, like I said, I know that's kind of wishy-washy plans. I saw a crafty northerner on YouTube, and he is doing, what is it, Stitch Mania? So he starts a new cross stitch every day in May. Do you remember way back to season, what was that, 2 or 3? Oh, I had to do that. I had 30 starts. Not that it's any different than what I'm doing now. It's just, it was more planned. Yeah, I started 30 different cross stitches, or 31 different cross stitches in May. Yeah, no. Some days I feel like starting them. Others, not today. Let's just work on something we have. So he's doing really good on that. So go check him out. Because sometimes I have starts in galore, and then others, we only start 2 or 3 or whatever. So it all depends, just what I'm in the mood for. Trying to hang on to this stitch and see at the same time. But I think this will be really pretty when it's done. I didn't know where to start. I didn't want to start over here because this looks like confetti to me, so we're just kind of avoiding that. I didn't want to do the half cross stitch. Wasn't in the mood for that, so I like starting these peonies because they look so pretty when you get all the different shades of red and everything. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. Get a hold of it again. And I didn't crunch this time. Nope, 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 nope. Go this way. So anybody gonna go anywhere and do anything fun this weekend? I hope everybody's having way better weather than we are, because it's just downright chilly. It kept saying it was 40 degrees last night, because we have a sign, you know, that shows the fuel and, you know, what its price is, and then it also tells the temperature. Kept saying it was 40 degrees, and I'm like, yeah, and whose imagination was that? Because I swear the wind was like 10 miles plus an hour. It was just absolutely horrible. I stopped to get the mail, you know, on the way home, and I just about didn't get the dang door open to get out of the car and get the mail. And there was no mail. Of course there wasn't, since I got out of my car in the middle of a windstorm. Alright, guys. Well, I think that is going to be about it. We got from here, and then we jumped over in here, a little bit here, and there's like 4, 5 symbols, so I'll just try to complete like a section, if you will, until the thread runs out. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.